Now, what I want is facts. Teach these boys and girls nothing but facts. Facts alone are wanted in life, plant nothing else. Root out everything else. You can only form the minds of reasoning animals upon facts. This is the principle on which I bring up my own children, and this is the principle on which I bring up these children. Stick to facts, sir. Girl number 20, CC Ju. They are hands. Stephen Blackpool and Rachel, they work in a factory in Cocktown. So these lines are taken from Charles Dickens' famous novel Hard Times that published in 1854 in Victorian England. So these lines are spoken by Sir Thomas Gradgrind, who is a principal character in the novel, who is a man of calculation, who is a man of facts and mathematics. His education is based on utilitarian philosophy. Who does not like imagination, romance, love, feelings, aesthetics, literature, art, culture? So these lines criticize Victorian education that is based on utilitarian philosophy, statistical determinism, human relationship based on money and calculation. So Charles Dickens criticizes Victorian England and its education. So, dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dr.Shoaib, English Literature, UGC-NET JRF. This lecture is on mathematical fiction. So, what is mathematical fiction? Mathematics means the number theory, set theory, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, Heron's formula, quadratic equation, linear equation, matrix, logarithm, etc. So the I have explored the novels that explore the themes based on mathematics. The first novel that I have selected, that is The Number Devil, a mathematical adventure by Hans Magnus Enzensberger. It is written in 12 dreams. In this novel, a principal character, Robert, does not like mathematics because he finds it a very difficult subject. He could not understand theorem. He could not understand number theory. A devil appears in his dream and teaches him the complexities of mathematics. And after going through the 12 dreams, mathematics becomes his favorite subject. So the devil, Taplotex, teaches him trigonometry, geometry, sine theta, cos theta, sec theta, cosec sec cot. The second novel that I have selected is The Luminaries by Eleanor Catton. Eleanor Catton is a Canadian-born New Zealand writer, lives in London. She is a diasporic writer. In her writings, one can also explore the diasporic consciousness, alienation, nostalgia, identity crisis. But in this novel, Luminaries, she explores telescope, planets, skies, unexplored skies, mathematical problems, reasoning, logic, and how to examine the distance between sun and the moon and the earth, and how to know about the unknown universe. The third novel that I have selected is The Void, that is written by George Perec. This is a lipogrammatic novel, and in this novel, George Perec does not use alphabet E. Over 300 pages. So this novel is about the relationship between language, linguistics, and mathematical narratives. And the next novel is The Oxford Murders by Guillermo Martinet, and it is based on reasoning and mathematical murder. The next novel is The Girl with the Dragon Tattoo by Stieg Larsson. It's a psychological thriller novel based on mathematics. And the next novel is In the Light of What We Know by Zia Haider Rahman. Zia Haider Rahman is a Bangladeshi born British writer. In his writings, we can explore the question of diasporic identity, diasporic consciousness, migration, alienation, refugee crisis. But he was a mathematician. He also explores the aspects of mathematics in his fiction. So in this fiction, we will find sine theta, cos theta, sec theta, cosec sec cot, angle of elevation, angle of depression, E equal to mc square. And the last novel that I would like to explore is The Last Theorem, that published in 2008 by Arthur C. Clarke and Frederick Poole. Fermat gave his theorem in 1637 and was solved in 1995 by Andrew Wiles, a British mathematician. This theorem left unsolved around 358 years. So this was the theorem, last theorem given by Fermat. Fermat questions that we can solve Pythagoras theorem. X square plus y square is equal to z square, means in a right triangle the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of perpendicular plus base. But if the equation is like x cube plus y cube is equal to z cube, or x power 4 plus y power 4 equal to z power 4, so how would we solve? Do we have any number that can substantiate these equations? So this was the question, and he raised such types of questions. He challenged the mathematics. So this theorem was tried to solve by many mathematicians, but no one could solve it out. Fermat was a lawyer. He was a man of law. He used to practice law, but he has interest in mathematics. So this is a magical power of a person who takes interest in mathematics. सो गाइस, बिना मैथमेटिक्स के जिंदगी अधूरी है. मैथमेटिक्स में मोरालिटी होनी चाहिए, एथिक्स होना चाहिए, उसके उसके अंदर फीलिंग्स होनी चाहिए सोल्व करने के लिए. साइन थीटा, कोस थीटा, कोसेक कोसेक थीटा, कोट थीटा, साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कोस स्क्वायर थीटा इक्वल टू 1. मैं भी सोच सकता कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है, व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ इट. लेकिन जब सोचा समझा पता लगा कि आप बिना साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कोस स्क्वायर थीटा के या एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन और एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन के बिना आप किसी के हाइट नहीं माप सकते. आप किसी दो मैक्रो के पिलर आपस में जोड़ ही नहीं सकते. आप ये कोट नहीं सिल सकते, आप क्लासरूम नहीं बना सकते, आप मोबाइल नहीं बना सकते. देखते हो कितने छोटे छोटे वायर होते हैं. अगर डॉक्टर आपको 20 mg की टेबलेट लिखता है और आप 100 mg खा लोगे? नहीं, मैथमेटिक्स है. इवन इन लिटरेचर वी हैव मैथमेटिक्स. Without mathematics, nothing is impossible. But mathematics must be taught with the magic.